Hi guys, it's Rose playing with my sister, Sky. Sky. So, Gilly, come here.
Welcome back to Spoizy's channel.
I'm just trying to climb on this because it's fun.
Okay, so since we just started YouTube, we don't know how to combine videos. I will try, but I will two separate videos. One is Rose's screen.
This is recording.
I know. One is Rose's screen while we're talking, and then one's mine without talking. Because I don't know how to make mine work.
Okay. So, this is as a citizen. I don't really think it's fun as a citizen. I think it's more fun as Slender or Proxy. But
we have to collect 8 pages in 7 minutes with Slender trying to kill us.
My flashlight isn't working.
What was your flashlight?
Anything. Ugh. There we go. This girl help me.
I've never been Slender. I've always been Slender like in the past 2 days. And I've never been Slender. Ever. Why is it voiced on the screen? It looks like an asylum.
How is that, guys? I gave you a heads up so I could look right at Slender. I don't care about Slender. I'm just trying to find the pages. It's actually really hard. That's not a page.
My flashlight.
I just got my flashlight.
We're going up the stairs.
How did they die in the bed?
I just found a page when it turned off. I gained 10 points. Alright.
Guys, leave a comment down below if you've ever played Stop Slender 2 before. And you won. Slender left. You cannot see it on my screen, but you can see it on her screen.
On
so,
my video.
Because it's not
post right after hers.
It's not working on this phone, so I can't show you it. I'm just gonna climb this.
Alright, ready?
I'm a citizen.
I'm a citizen too! Oh, what a surprise! I'm so sad inside. Alright.
You want to be Proxy or Slender, right?
Yeah. But I do like finding papers because it does make me feel accomplished.
So 2 people just died. Ah, Slender! A page! Page!
Stop it, Slender.
Okay, I got the first page. Yep.
I'm sorry, Slender. I have to.
Quick, grab your string, Kaylee. I don't care if I'm using your name. You have to grab your string. Is he next to you again?
Yes. Keep running away like I'm ready.
He's right behind me.
He's right behind me. Ah! Like that in front of me.
I found another page. Always watching, no eyes. The first one I found was no, 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 no.
Dude, he keeps trying to kill me, but like it's not working. So 34% battery.
I have 88. I found 2 pages. So,
Alright.
so far, only 2 people have died. Okay, I'll try to look for the pages. You do the generators. Because we need that second we need a third generator too. Because you turned it on, there's 2. Good, now there's a new place of the area unlocked, and now I can find more pages. So I got all the pages in the first area. Help me.
I got another page.
Me too. I got 3 pages this round. I'm actually accomplishing more in this round. I got some points. I found the first generator. All of them? Oh, this will be way better. We only need 3 more pages.
Why am I doing stuff? Okay. The rest of the map is now unlocked.
Yup. Now I can look for the generators. Oh, hey!
Oh, let's go.
Where? I don't know where you are, so...
Oh, let's see later.
all we have to do is look for pages.
I've gone this way.
I haven't gone this way. No, I haven't gone. I haven't gone this way yet. I've gone over there before. Oh god, there's blood on the table.
Oh my god, stop, 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 stop.
Did you die, Kaylee? Sky, did you die?
I was trying to kill me right now.
Where are you? There's 4 people remaining. 3 people remaining, I guess. 1 more page. As soon as you die. Wait. Oh, all pages have been collected. Yeah. I got. You can't see it, but it says Citizens win, Slender, and was Newton Union, and it says all the people who have died.
On my video.
Guys, I have to leave because I just lost connection to the server. So, bye. I landed. Wait, no.